How's it going, Airsofters? Welcome back to the channel, and this time Kizuna Works has sent me another Airsoft replica to review, and let's see how it performs.
On this team? I have no clue.
Game on! Team deathmatch. We've got enemy inbound, lock and load.
What's done? Oh, dead man, good shot, mate.
Oh, hit! Good shot, man. I get back. Wait, in front. Yeah. Oh, got him. This thing's so accurate, I think. Good take! Whoa, shit!
Oh shit, sorry.
Grenade!
Yeah, I apologise for that. I'm not being stabbed again, though.
Oh, hit! Good shot. That is hurt. Oh, what the fuck is that? What's that? Whatever it is, that's hurt.
Okay, let's talk about the Airsoft Pistol itself. This is the KW15K. As you can see, this is a very capable Airsoft replica. Compact size, just like a G19, but with much better ergonomics. It is so comfy to hold, very accurate too. What about the internals, you may ask? Is this the same as the MKW? The answer is yes. All steel and TDC hopper chamber.
Okay, one shot challenge. Let's go.
I'm gonna go.
So close. Don't worry. Yeah, you got one. Alright, you got one. So, okay, give you one first. Yeah. Get this one. Yeah.
Excellent.
When you come back, you can try again. Yeah, okay?
Excellent,
Cheers.
sounds good.
The third one, if you hit it, you get a hat. Yeah, you get a cap. You missed, unfortunately. Want to try it? Quick.
Oh, go on, Ollie, with your shake.
Birthday girl.
This is going to miss, but anyway.
What? What?
It shoots.
You want to try?
I could try.
Yeah. Use your sight, I think.
Oh, they're not very accurate.
Don't use. Oh yeah, oh, that's count. Alright, if you get a second, one, you get another patch.
Just thank you.
Yeah. Alright,
no.
that one. Okay, You got this one? Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. Anyone want it? Oh, shotgun boy. You want to try it again?
Go on, Ollie.
That's the class of cheating, but whatever. And you still missed it, yeah. You want to try it? Get a hat, yeah? Yes! Yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
Isn't it very nice, yeah.
We'll take that massive condoleezza of yours.
One for you.
Cheers, man.
Alright. Yeah, have a go.
Go on,
Yeah.
go. You got this.
Alright, okay. Yeah. Okay, there you go.
Appreciate it, thank you.
That's right, yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Happy birthday, action! Ali, why you shoot so much?
I shot well.
Yeah, do us really shit well.
Love you, Will. I didn't even shoot hard, I shot well.
Well, I should have tempted. Oh, well done, well done, well done. Well done.
Love you, Will. I love you too.
You okay, yeah? You alright, yeah? Well done, well done, well done, well done.
Okay, that's it for today. If you want to see more of the one-shot challenge, click on the right. Also the MKW on the left. This is Henry from Pew Club Entertainment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.